Okay, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be cooking salmon with cilantro and honey. You're gonna need a pound of salmon. You can buy the one in portions, and you're gonna need salt, pepper, 1 lime. You're gonna need 1/3 cup of cilantro, garlic powder, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a cup of chicken broth, and olive oil. Enjoy! So we're going to season our salmon with pepper and salt. We're going to put some olive oil on the pan. It's a medium heat. Let's flip the salmon so we can season both sides. With pepper and some salt. We're going to place them on the pan with the skin side down on medium heat. We're going to place them there for 7 minutes. So we're going to cover them and we'll check them again in 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. Now we flip them over. Put them in low heat. Just put it in low heat. Okay, now it's in low heat. We're gonna leave it for 4 minutes. Just cover it and leave it there for 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes already. We're gonna remove the salmon, place them here on a plate so we can start making our sauce. We're going to add our 1/4 cup of butter. Raise it again to medium heat. We want the butter to melt to get all the flavors from the salmon. We're going to add garlic powder, just a little bit. Stir it a little bit. We're going to add the chicken broth. It's half a cup of chicken broth. We're going to add our tablespoon of honey. Then we're going to squeeze our lime. Mix it up. Okay, now we're going to add 1/3 cup of cilantro. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, now we're going to place our salmon back in the pan. Meaty side down. We want the skin up now so the salmon can get all the flavor. Let's try to get all the broth we can on top of the salmon skin. Put it on low heat. Cover it for 1 minute. Okay, so it looks like our salmon is done. Smells so good. Okay, the salmon for your sides, you can eat it with white rice, maybe red potatoes, asparagus, or whatever you desire. Enjoy!